If you live in an area that experiences winter and colder temperatures, you're used to getting ready for winter. Heavy coats, mittens, and boots get pulled out of the back of the closet. But did you know there are things you can do to get your home ready for winter as well? We've got some suggestions to protect your home and provide you with peace of mind when temperatures start to drop. Let's start with the outside of your home. Clean out your gutters and downspouts to prevent ice dams. Disconnect and store garden hoses, turning off exterior faucets. It's also recommended to blow out exterior faucets and irrigation systems. All of this helps prevent frozen or burst pipes. Inspect the outside of your home for damage with extra attention given to your roof, as well as your windows and doors. Those are key transition points from outside to inside where you're most susceptible to draft and damage. That's why it's good to replace screens on doors and windows with storm doors and replace any damaged weather stripping. Also, if you live in an area where temperatures drop below freezing, have any exposed pipes in your home insulated. Now that we've protected the outside of our homes, how do we stay warm and comfy inside? Start by having your furnace inspected by a reputable HVAC technician. Preventative maintenance is key to ensuring your furnace will work all winter long. If you have a fireplace, that should be inspected and cleaned as well. Winter air is dry, so use a humidifier to help. Be sure to follow cleaning and filter replacement instructions. If you use a space heater to stay warm, please be careful and follow safety guidelines. Here's a pro tip. Change the direction of ceiling fans to rotate clockwise and help circulate warm air in your home more effectively. It's always a good idea to have an emergency kit ready in your home, as well as in your car. Click the link in the description to learn more. We hope you enjoy your winter season, and if any of the elements damage your home or property, just give Rainbow a call. Anytime. We're here to help.